So apparently I'm getting a lot of people who are disliking this video for the sump pump because they don't understand the situation. So this is the back of the house, right? There's no under basement floor water issues. The problem was water was coming in the front wall and flooded the basement. She had like a foot of water down here and nowhere for it to go except the back door. Let me show you. Here's the back door. So a foot of water trying to fit out a back door underneath is not, it takes forever. So she wanted a sump pump in here. Now I explained to her that we were going to dig up out front and fix the front and it would never happen again, but she wanted a sump pump. You understand? I work for her, so I do what she says. That's the way it goes. So here it is, the sump pump's here. And people were asking, oh, well, how does the water get in the pump? I don't know, a gigantic hole in the top of it. You see it? There's a huge hole. So if the floor is flooded with water, it runs into there and gets pumped out. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. So let's go outside. I have other videos on my channel showing everything, us digging up out front, waterproofing, running pipes. So here we go. This is a mountain out back. So people are saying, oh, I should have ran pipes under, did this and did that. The water's going to come back in the house. No, it's not. It's all running downhill as it comes out of that small pipe. Now, I'm not done out here. I got to rent machines. I got to fix this hill. This is all weeds. I got to get this all out of here and I'm going to put sod in. So I'm going to be renting 2 machines in the next couple of months. But I'm doing other stuff right now. And then eventually I'm going to tie this pipe in and also this gutter. Rain spout. They're both going to get tied into a pipe I have underground that runs down the hill. I'll show you. 4-inch PVC pipe here. I got all the rain spouts in the front because the front was the problem. If you look now, you can see we pitched the dirt. There used to be like a dip right over there. And all the water would lay, it would go up against the house, which is now waterproofed, and it would run inside of the hole. There was holes everywhere. If you look at some other videos, you'll see I show everything. So I got to fix all this anyway. But as you see, I got to truck dirt in because this is like a mountain here. It's all boulders. You hit this with a machine, it does nothing. But somehow someone was able to grow grass on it, and that's what we're going to try to do. So apparently in that video, I didn't show enough for people to understand. But you can always ask people on YouTube questions. You don't have to just leave nasty comments and tell people they're a hack. There's no way for water to get in the pump. I don't know what you're even talking about. There's multiple situations for a pump. And mine's a different situation from yours. See all this? All this was gone when we were working back here. Now look at it. But it's all weeds. We want to get rid of all this. And I got to fix this mountain. So in the next maybe month or 2, hopefully I'll have 2 machines here to fix all this. See, here's my pipe. This is another problem I'm having. All the dirt's washing down from the rain. There's so much water that comes down this hill. And sometimes it gets high enough where it can almost go in the back door. It all comes down here, and I know it's coming out of this rain spout. So I got to tie that into that pipe and get it out of here. I'm probably going to take this out because this allows the water to come around to the door. I'm going to take this out and probably either do a block wall here or some kind of concrete, and I'm going to redo concrete here also. Instead of that step up, I'm going to make it level over to the bottom of the steps and probably stop it here somewhere. But it's very simple, the pump. The reason why I did it is because she wanted it done. Had nothing to do with me. I work for her. She's the boss, applesauce.